All right, ladies and gentlemen, good morning. Another video here for you. This one is going to be laser cleaning this whole thing. This is some thick paint. I already did some descaling with the needle gun. The lasers don't touch scaling, which is, unfortunate, but it's just light. There's no actual abrasive quality. So I got rid of all the scaling or rust scale that I could. And I had reattached this guy. I don't know if you guys can see my crap welds from underneath, but yeah. So I got that. I'm going to do everything that I can on this rolling cart. Nice little cheap one. Really makes this thing moving this thing around real easy. But yeah, I'm going to get all this stuff. So we'll see what videos I get, time lapse or whatever. And yeah, enjoy. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So I'll show you. This is for some rust removal. So I will show you my swing size, all the patterns on this side, and then the actual, size and dimensions. Go back, and then I'll go to power. You guys will see what my power is for this. We'll see how this works. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, as you saw, the little wave pattern didn't work, so I just switched to the line pattern. That looks like it's working a lot better. So I'm going to continue on. I'm going to do some time lapse so you guys aren't bored to heck. All right, let's keep going. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so I got pretty much most of this stuff. Any little red stuff you see is just, little bit of leftover that I can just scratch off, no big deal. But this was super thick paint. Because, obviously this is a mulcher, and I had to burn through it. But, yeah, this thing is doing real good. It's taking a while, but I don't have to worry about, cleanup or anything like that. I'm just, burning it and then degreasing, pressure washing it, degreasing it, metal prep it, and then POR 15 it. I'll show you all those steps. So yeah, let me just continue on here with this massive undertaking. Now I get to sit down, because before I was, up there, and now I get to sit down and relax a little bit more. All right. right, ladies and gentlemen, so after about a couple hours, I'm so far done. So over here, unlike the big spots with paint, I found a cheat code. So what you use a line laser, and you heat up the paint, and then you use just a scraper. The paint usually comes right off. You can see how just it comes right off, so you just don't have to, you know, waste time. So I'm gonna set this thing down and get all the other areas of it. All right. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it's mostly clean. You can see the little bits of paint that are on there. Inside, that's hardly going to get rusty. I cleaned the stuff that does get rusty. This paint is super thick. And if you have access or know somebody with a sandblaster, I mean a professional sandblaster, do it. That is a light, fine laser cleaner. The heavier duty laser cleaners are probably much better suited for this. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to degrease it, wash it, and I gotta get some Pour 15 on it. So I don't think I'm going to bother you with that too much. I'll just show you the after effect. All right, ladies and gentlemen, it has been degreased, OSFO'd, etched, and cleaned vigorously. Now it's got to dry. Hopefully it won't flash rust too bad, because it is humid here. But yeah, so we got this done. It took way too long, but still a little easier than every other method. Just takes a while. So this laser cleaner is for fine stuff, where there's bigger laser cleaners that are heavier duty that can blast that stuff off. This one controls heat a lot better, so it's for more fine stuff like auto body and little things here and there, auto parts. So maybe I'll get a bigger one, who knows? I don't plan on doing this every day. So, but yeah, that'll conclude this part. Just laser cleaning and a little bit of prep. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. All right, thanks for watching.